How to use honey for anti-aging. Honey has a sweet taste, and it is full of nutrients like vitamins and minerals. It is a natural sweetener and beneficial for health when taken in limited amounts. Honey is an excellent remedy for the skin too. Having antiseptic properties, it can help in fighting many types of skin problems like redness, inflammation, acne and breakouts. Honey also helps in anti-aging of skin. Skin problems like lines and wrinkles that occur with increasing age can be healed with the help of honey. We will explain the uses of honey for getting anti-aging benefits. Number 1. Use a plain honey mask. A plain honey mask helps in getting rid of wrinkles. Wash the face and clean it well. Apply honey on the face. Tie the hair and secure it with hairpins at the back. Wait for 20 minutes and after that wash the face. It will help in moisturizing the skin while healing infections caused by microorganisms. Number 2. Use honey with apple. A face mask made with honey and apple is an ideal choice for people who have a normal skin. Core the apple and cut it into small pieces. Use a food processor to make a puree of chopped pieces of apple. Mix honey with the apple puree. Keep it in the refrigerator. Take it out after 10 minutes and apply on the face. Wash the face after 30 minutes. Number 3. Use honey with cinnamon and nutmeg. Honey used with spices like cinnamon and nutmeg helps in solving skin problems due to aging. Make a face mask by mixing honey and yogurt with cinnamon and nutmeg. To this, add very little lemon juice. Mix warm water to make a paste. Wash the face and apply the above mixture. Wash the face after 10 minutes. For cleaning the face, you should use lukewarm water. Apply moisturizer. Number 4. Use honey with rose petals. Honey and rose petals help in avoiding lines and wrinkles due to the premature aging of the skin. Mix honey with crushed rose petals. To this, you should mix yogurt and rose water. Apply the mixture on the face. Wait for 10 minutes and then wash the face. Number 5. Use honey with lemon juice and olive oil. Honey, lemon, and olive oil help in getting anti-aging benefits for the skin. Make a body scrub by mixing honey and lemon juice with sugar granules. Mix well. Add very little olive oil to it. Apply the mixture on the skin and do a gentle scrubbing with the fingertips. Scrub the skin for 5 minutes. After that, wash the skin with water and clean it well. Use the scrub on the face for 10 minutes. Sugar helps in exfoliating the skin naturally and cleaning the pores. Olive oil moisturizes the skin and heals aging problems as it has vitamin E.